Positive Ross, man.
Oh my god, that was it, wasn't it? I told you I'd get it first, you puss. You're wearing gloves.
Yep.
It's off, it's not gonna shock you. So my question is how you're gonna get the screen off because it looks all in one piece. I remember saying something to like break it. I'm like, wait a minute. So the new one comes in a piece and this comes in a piece, so they're already in two pieces anyways.
Well, you gotta go through the back.
Is this one that you've rebuilt?
Yeah, a few times actually. New battery in that thing a few times.
It looks like you had the alligator skin on it.
Yeah, I did. Just making sure I can see everything. So,
Joe, do you need some glasses or something?
get this going. Here's a little phone repair kit. Guitar pick action. There's a rubber gasket around the inside of this all the way around. That's essentially what I'm scraping off right now.
So that's what the quote-unquote water resistant is for it?
Yeah.
Let me guess, you use that big ass freaking sword and you sharpen it with this thing.
This one? No, that's novelty. I don't sharpen. That's just for looks. It's my Prince of Persia though. Really cool guy gave that to me.
Yeah, but during the zombie apocalypse, bro.
No, it's too heavy. And it's not even full tank, it's just stops right there. People are gonna see my hands moving in the video like, what the fuck is he doing?
Does anyone I trust to do this? It's you, man. It'd be like, oh, I'll do it for it. Nah, I'm good. I'm like, alright, I just really fucked this up, so, yeah, we're gonna have to, like, go take it somewhere else. So there must be like a glue or something like that that holds it together.
Not a glue. It's a, like I said, it's like a gasket that goes all the way around.
So let's say if I needed to replace the battery, whatever.
Yeah, if you ever need a new battery or anything, let me know and I'll go ahead and take care of that for you too. You just need to order another back glass if we do replace the battery.
Of course, because you got to break it again.
Exactly.
like,
Oh, pretty cool.
oh, you're just admiring it?
Yeah. Just giving the viewers something to view.
The back of your head?
Right. Is that what you're seeing right now?
Oh, it was. I was trying to... The phone needs to be, like, put up... Oh, my hand just went away. There you go. Because it's being shown, like, down here in the corner.
Thank you. So, like, over here?
Yeah, right there's the middle. There you go.
Be careful when you're connecting any of these ribbons. If one wrong tooth is off and you're just jamming it in there,
it'll not work. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's crazy because I was watching a guy take it apart. He's talking how delicate these are, and sometimes they can easily rip.
Oh yeah.
And I'm like, oh my god, it's not as simple as popping the back off and switching out the battery and like.
Oh no! If it was that easy, they wouldn't be able to charge as much as they do to fix it.
A charger, an arm, and a leg. All right.
It's not like I could get in there and do it.
See, I thought maybe you have to take out a solder gun and solder. China.
Yeah.
Right. So it's like it don't matter to shoot it down there. It went across the whole country and
country.
And like, well, yeah, we're gonna shoot it down now. It's over the ocean. It's like, yeah, you finally got shot down. I'm like, man, a bunch of rednecks in South Carolina said, fuck it, let's go out there. Yeah. Hey, Billy, you got that rifle? Yeah, son, I got mine too. All right, it's a contest. Whoever shoots this sucker down buys a case of beer. Like,
very gently push down the ribbons and they should snap into place. Double check the location of the screw before you insert the screw into the hole.
You do not put a screw in that one, because if you do,
even though it's a screw, it'll
it's
go right
going
to
to
the motherboard.
right into there.
And then your whole phone is
just
Thumbs up and share, and don't forget to be positive to one another.